you go with the hands, bro. It's your hand job. Damn, bro.
No, Alex, güey.
There it is, Papa. SRT-MAX cam. Max Plus install. Without removing the heads. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So now, what I'm doing right now, I'm helping my friend here with this 300 SRT. We're gonna put a 2.9 Whipple Supercharger, and right now what we're doing, we're gonna change the pump to a high volume pump. This is a upgraded pump, oil pump, and we're gonna have, the first thing we gotta do is change the spring to the purple one, because that's for the 65 psi. And then we're gonna add, while it's open, we're gonna add all these new, the timing chain, the sprockets, and the o-ring that goes in here. Okay, and then we can start closing all this. We also replaced the cam. This is SRT-MAX Plus cam. Okay, my dad sold him this one for a good price, so we're gonna go ahead and install that, which is already installed in the car. And as you guys can see, we have everything. Well, actually, he took everything apart, not me. And I'm just helping him put everything back together. So it's gonna be a long process because this car, it has never been supercharged in the past. Like I said, this is his car, personal car, and we want to get ready, to get it on the dyno as soon as possible, sometime next month. All right, let me go ahead and change the spring and install the oil pump. So as you guys can see, on this one comes with the yellow spring. Okay, so remember, so the install yellow spring is 50 psi. Okay, and remember, this is not going to change the idle pressure. It's going to change the wide open throttle pressure. So we're going to add this purple one right here. I don't know what the difference is. Let me just feel the difference. Okay, so it's a little bit shorter, the purple one, so that's the difference. All right, and this one's softer, this one's a lot harder, so I guess that's why it holds the pressure a little bit more. All right, okay, so we have the new sprocket, the new timing chain, new guides, new lower sprocket. Okay, so everything's installed. 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock. All right. So those are the timing marks, the two timing marks. The next step will be, I'm gonna install this one, torque it down, and then we can torque the rocker arms. We have to take this one out. They're just temporarily in there. Do the torquing sequence on those, this one too, and now we can be able to spin the motor. Okay, hopefully we don't have any problems, any issues. And then after that, we can put the oil pump, the timing cover, and connect the little accessories we have to remove, which is AC compressor, the alternator, and little brackets here and there. So let me go ahead and finished with the timing, the oil pump, the rocker arms, and I'll show you guys when it's completely assembled. Huh? What's up? So as you guys can see, now all I have to do is just torque that bolt and I'll be done with it. I'm gonna torque all these 4 bolts right here for the oil pump. Okay, so I can't take all the credit, but this guy right here, he's the one that gave me this. He said go ahead and use this, and you know what, it really worked out for me. So this is what I'll be using from now on when I do the cam swaps on this Hemis. And this one also works for the 5.7, so it's the same thing. Hey doggy, what's going on, man? Those are my favorite dogs, man, but I'm scared of those dogs. Dobermans. Yeah, let's go ahead and bark at me, because he don't even know me. The first time I see him and the first time he sees me. So yeah, I gotta keep an eye on this guy right here. He's smelling my shoes. So I have 2 other dogs. Yeah, you want to be on camera, boy? Yeah. All right, guys. So he's finishing up the valve covers. We already got the rocker arms all torqued, ready to go. Okay, guys. So we have everything installed on the front of the engine: timing cover, pulley, the alternator, the AC compressor, idler pulley, tensioner, and all that crap. So the next step we are going to do, we're going to go ahead and install the dowel pins. We have to make some holes into the crankshaft and install the dowel pins in the crankshaft between the crankshaft pulley and the crankshaft itself. So this is what's provided in the kit. So we have this little drill guide, this adapter, that one's gonna go right there. Make sure this side is going to the crankshaft. That's your guide going into the crankshaft. And then they also gave us 2 dowel pins and a 1/4" drill with the drill stop. So that's gonna go just like so, and that's the depth they want us to go into the crankshaft, between the pulley and the crankshafts. So we're gonna install these 2 dowel pins. So let's go ahead and do that. Make sure this one's sitting flush, and now we can tighten this one up. You got the socket? Alright, so now this is secure. Now we can start drilling the holes. Alright, and we're gonna drill until this one hits the guide. I'm not putting any pressure right now. I don't want nothing to break in there. So every time you drill for like a couple seconds, just bring it out, clean the shavings, and put it back in, because if not, it'll probably get stuck and break in there. You don't want to do it. Alright, so this is where you want to stop. As you guys can see, now it's all the way in. Alright, so that's all we want. Clean the shavings. Alright, and right now we're going to use some compressed air to blow all the shavings out of this hole right here. Alright. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're already done with both of the hoses. Just when you know you're done, you're not supposed to have a big gap right there. So gonna take it off, check this side. Okay, we're good. Now we're gonna put some compressed air, clean the hose, and take this off. Remove this bolt and see how it looks. There you go, right there. Okay guys, so this is how it's gonna look after you drill those holes. Alright, I'm gonna spray some more air in there and put the dowel pins in place, and we're done with this part. Okay, so these are the two dowel pins. I'm gonna go ahead and put some grease in them. Okay, well, we don't need to put any pressure. They just go in, you know, just like that. There it is. So now we have a dowel pins. That means this is not going to spin anymore, because now we're going to have more power on this car. And now we can put the center bolt in.